Since the pandemic and with the onset of high inflation, we have seen shifts in the availability of affordable housing and in the housing market more generally. I'm interested to see and hear about how those impacts are being felt here in New England. The availability of affordable housing is critical for families and for communities that are seeking to attract new jobs and for the workers to fill those employment opportunities. Distinguishing between the short-term effects of the pandemic and the longer-term structural shifts in the economy is crucial in making the near-term policy decisions to achieve our dual mandate goals. In the near term, higher interest rates intended to lower inflation work most directly in the housing market. While we expect that lower rents will eventually be reflected in inflation data as new leases make their way into the calculations, recently the residential real estate market appears to be rebounding with home prices leveling out, which has implications again for our fight to lower inflation. As we all know, the pandemic abruptly changed the lives of most Americans and American families, and it fed a surge of demand for those who sought larger homes. It ushered in a wave of home building and renovation that was a significant contributing factor for inflation and supply chain challenges. Much of that initial inflation has moderated, but it will be important to understand the long-term effect of the pandemic environment on household formation and housing demand going forward.